Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create a sample cross-section in Quick Sections module of ESurvey Civil Tools. With Quick Sections module, you can create cross-sections just by referring to polylines representing series values in any horizontal and vertical scale. To understand the concept, you can create one cross-section by drawing 3 polylines and attaching a section object. Quick Sections uses an attribute block which is referred as section object, which will have section number, horizontal scale, vertical scale, datum value, and chainage at the insertion of the attribute block as its values. To insert a section object, select Insert Section Object IS from Settings and Section Object submenu. Create a section object with the values given below. A. Section number 100. B. Horizontal scale 200. C. Vertical scale 50. D. Datum value 95. E. Chainage at the insertion point of attribute 0. Attaching the line to section object. You draw 3 polylines representing series values. Put them in layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. Now you have to create relationships between section object and these lines. Select Attach Line to Section Object ATTLI option from Settings and Section Object submenu. Select the section object and then select these lines. Now, section object is linked to these lines. To export the section, select Recreate or Export Section by selecting a section object EXEQ from the Export Report submenu or run the EXEQ command. The command will prompt you asking, do you want to create a section? Enter yes and pick a point to place the cross-section. You may note that in output cross-sections, all the cross-section values are derived and are updated in respective data bands. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to generate cross-section drawings along an alignment.